Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jason Curran here at Drum Percussion Studio, and we got another kind of tutorial video for you to kind of go over some of the things that we've talked about in class. Maybe it didn't quite click and didn't make a lot of sense when you got back home, so we want to be able to kind of walk you through this so you can rewind it and play it again however many times you want until you feel like you really understand it. So that exercise that we're working on is using a combination of accents and taps. So accents and taps. And in music, the way that we write accents are to use these little symbols right here over the notes. And that means that we're going to play the note louder. It's going to have a louder sound. We're not going to change the way we hit it. We're not going to make it, we're not going to hit it harder, but it's going to be louder. And then basically everything else that's left, we're going to call those taps. And so we're going to play those at level 1. The accents are all the way up at level 4. If you notice in our music here, we have a measure of eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The first 4 have accents, and I wrote big capital letter R's, and the next 4 are also played on the right hand, but notice they don't have accents. We call those taps, and so you're going to just tap lightly on level 1 on your right hand. Second measure, same thing, except we're going to play it all on the left hand. So 4 accented notes on the left hand and 4 tapped notes on the left hand. And then finally at the end we get down here to where we have 2 measures joined by a repeat sign and a number 2, and that means to repeat the previous 2 measures. So when we get here, we do the same thing that we did up there. We're going to finish on a downbeat, and that's the end of the exercise. So I'll go ahead and turn my metronome on. I'm going to use tempo 60, so nice and slow so we can really pay attention to what we're doing. And just real quick before I start, I'm going to let you see the difference between the accents and the taps. Now if I'm at set position, we've been calling that level 2 in class. Level 1 is where we angle slightly down, just barely off the drum head. So these are my taps. Tap, 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 tap. And I'm going to go back to level 2 for set position. When I do my accent, I'm going to bring my stick all the way up to the full extension, but making sure I don't lose my angle as I move all the way up, and I don't move my hands. So level 4 is as high as you can naturally and comfortably play. And so I'm going to play the accents at level 4. Alright, so I'm going to put it all together, and I'm going to play accents and taps, all 4 of those measures. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready and go. It's... Alright, so that's accents and taps. So practice that at home as long as you need to. Play the video over and over, and when you're ready, I want you to check out our other practice videos that really go through the exercise in a little bit more detail, and it goes a little bit longer and a little bit faster. So you'll see all of that stuff on our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.